Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you the formatted output in Java, which is the printf. Some of you might be familiar with the printf function when you learn C programming language. But for those who are studying Java programming language, let's discuss how we can format the output in Java. First, let me create my class program. Let's just name it display 2. Next, we have to create our main method. Then we're going to put the format, the printf format. This is the easiest of all method, as this is similar to printf in Java in C. Note that system.out.print and system.out.println take a single argument, but printf may take multiple arguments. For syntax, we can use the following printstream methods to format the output. Like here, when you put system.out.printf, you can use the syntax format and arguments, or you can use local format and arguments. We specify the formatting rule using the format parameters. Rules start with the %character. I'll give you an example before we proceed into the details of the various formatting rules. So let's just say I'm going to print the hello world statement. And this displays the following output. Here, I have hello world. As shown in the example, the format string contains plain text and two formatting rules. The first rule is used to format the string argument, and the second rule adds a new line to the end of the string. After it displays the hello world text, the new line is added. You can also use a percent. It will just output the same here. But for me, I'll just use the print formats like the backslash, because some other backslash formats don't work in printf, just like backslash t. When you put it a backslash %t, it will display a conversion character, which is the date or time value. So for my format, I'm just going to use the backslash. I'm going to show you some of the formatting conversion characters that we are going to use in the second part of the video, which is the %s is equals to string, as I've already shown in my example. %d equals to the decimal integers. %f is equals to the floating point numbers, and %t, as I have said earlier, is equivalent to the formatting date or time values. In the second part of this video, I will show you the format rules and how to use the other conversion characters.